Hey everyone, it's Annette. Are you putting in the work but not seeing the results you want? It can be incredibly frustrating to put in so much effort and not see the scale budge. What if I told you the secret ingredient to unlocking your weight loss potential is already in your kitchen? Yes, you heard that right. That's right, we're talking about protein. This nutrient is often overlooked but is essential for effective weight management. Protein is an absolute powerhouse for weight management. And today, I'm breaking down exactly why it's so important and how you can use it to your advantage. From meal planning to smart snacking, protein can be your best friend. We'll cover everything from how it helps you burn fat and build muscle, to how it supports your overall fitness goals, to how it keeps those pesky cravings at bay. Imagine not feeling the urge to snack on unhealthy foods all the time. Stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'm going to share a game-changing tip that will make hitting your protein goals easier than ever. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Plus, you'll hear from real people who've transformed their bodies and lives with the power of protein. Their stories are truly inspiring. So if you're ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level, let's dive in. Get ready to unlock the power of protein and see amazing results. Protein is crucial for weight management. It's essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. When you exercise, you create tiny micro tears in your muscles, and protein repairs those tears, making your muscles stronger. More muscle means a higher metabolism, burning more calories even at rest. Protein also has a higher thermic effect compared to carbs and fats, meaning your body burns more calories processing it. Including more protein in your diet boosts your metabolism. Protein is incredibly satiating, helping you feel fuller for longer, which is a game changer for managing cravings. We'll dive deeper into how protein keeps you feeling satisfied in just a bit. Studies show that protein influences the release of hormones like GLP-1 and PYY, which signal fullness to your brain. Experts agree that a protein-rich diet can help maintain energy levels and reduce overall calorie intake. Let's talk about the thermic effect of food, or TEF. TEF is the number of calories your body burns to digest, absorb, and metabolize food. Protein has a significantly higher TEF compared to carbs and fats. Think of protein as a big log on a fire. It burns hotter and longer, requiring more energy to break down. Studies show the thermic effect of protein is around 20 to 30%, meaning for every 100 calories of protein, your body burns 30 calories digesting it. By choosing protein-rich foods, you're naturally boosting your metabolism and burning more calories throughout the day. For example, eating a chicken breast not only fuels your muscles but also keeps your metabolism active, much like stoking a fire. So, next time you plan your meals, remember to include protein to maximize your calorie burn and support your weight loss goals. We've all been there, that mid-afternoon slump where your stomach starts rumbling, and you reach for the nearest snack. Protein can help. It regulates your hunger hormones, keeping cravings in check and helping you feel satisfied longer. Protein lowers ghrelin levels, reducing hunger pangs and preventing overeating. It also stimulates the production of peptide YY, a hormone that makes you feel full and satisfied. Higher levels of peptide YY mean fewer blood sugar spikes and crashes, reducing cravings for sugary or processed foods. Incorporating protein into every meal and snack helps manage hunger hormones effectively, keeping you full and in control of your cravings. Personally, I've noticed that when I include protein in my meals, I feel more energetic and less tempted by unhealthy snacks. Whether it's a protein shake in the morning or a handful of nuts in the afternoon, protein keeps me on track and feeling great. Now that you understand the benefits of protein, you might be wondering, how much protein do I need? It depends on your activity level, weight management goals, and overall health. For sedentary adults, the recommended daily intake is around 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. If you weigh 150 pounds, aim for around 54 grams of protein per day. For active individuals, the recommendation jumps to 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight. Using our 150-pound example, that means aiming for 81 to 135 grams of protein daily. If your goal is to build muscle or lose fat, aim for the higher end of that range, around 1.6 to 2.4 grams per kilogram of body weight. Always consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to determine your individual protein needs. Now let's dive into the best sources of protein to fuel your body and reach your goals. There are two main categories, animal-based and plant-based. Animal-based protein sources are complete proteins, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Excellent animal-based options include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish, as well as eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and lean beef. Plant-based protein sources are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Great plant-based options include lentils, tofu, tempeh, chickpeas, quinoa, hemp seeds, and edamame. Include a source of protein in every meal and snack to ensure a steady stream of amino acids throughout the day. Don't forget about black beans, chia seeds, and spirulina for a diverse protein intake. Experiment with different recipes to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. When it comes to protein, it's not just about how much you eat, but also when you eat it. Timing your protein intake can significantly impact your overall health and fitness goals. Strategic timing can optimize its benefits for weight management, muscle growth, and recovery. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast to jumpstart your metabolism and prevent overeating later. A good breakfast sets the tone for the rest of the day. Think Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, scrambled eggs with veggies, or a protein smoothie. These options are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. After a workout, consume protein within 30-60 minutes to help your muscles recover and grow stronger. A protein shake, chicken breast with sweet potato or tuna salad sandwich are great post-workout options. These meals provide the necessary nutrients to repair and build muscle tissue. Before bed, provide your body with protein to prevent muscle breakdown overnight. This is crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Consider a casein protein shake, a small serving of Greek yogurt, or a handful of almonds before hitting the hay. These options release protein slowly, keeping your muscles nourished throughout the night. Timing your protein intake can make a big difference in how your body utilizes it. Proper timing ensures that your body gets the most out of the protein you consume. Incorporate protein into every meal to maintain muscle mass and support weight loss. Consistent protein intake helps in achieving a balanced diet and a healthier lifestyle. Gap 3S. Now that you know the importance of timing your protein intake, let's dive deeper into some advanced meal prep strategies and tools that can make your life easier and your diet more effective. Meal prepping is a game changer when it comes to maintaining a balanced diet, especially for those of us with busy schedules. It not only saves you time, but also ensures you hit your protein goals consistently. Imagine having all your meals ready to go, reducing the temptation to grab unhealthy snacks or fast food. Meal prepping can be your secret weapon in staying on track with your weight loss journey. To start, invest in high-quality meal prep containers. These will help keep your meals fresh and organized, making it easier to stick to your plan. Consider using glass containers for microwave and oven safety, or BPA-free plastic for lightweight and portable options. Next, designate a specific day each week for meal prepping. This routine will help you stay consistent and make meal prep a non-negotiable part of your schedule. Spend a couple of hours cooking large batches of protein-rich foods like grilled chicken, baked tofu, or boiled eggs. Portion them out into your containers so you have grab-and-go options throughout the week. Utilize kitchen gadgets to streamline the process. A slow cooker or instant pot can be a game-changer for making large quantities of protein with minimal effort. Air fryers are also great for quick, healthy, and crispy protein sources like chicken breasts or chickpeas. These tools can save you a lot of time and make meal prep more enjoyable. Don't forget to diversify your protein sources to keep things interesting. Incorporate lean meats, plant-based proteins, and dairy options to ensure a well-rounded intake. Lastly, create a protein snack station in your fridge or pantry. Stock it with easy-to-grab items like Greek yogurt, protein bars, nuts, and pre-portioned cheese sticks. This way, you always have a protein-rich snack on hand to curb cravings and keep you satisfied. Meal prepping doesn't have to be complicated. With these strategies and tools, you'll find it easier than ever to stay on track with your protein intake and weight loss goals. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed weight management tips. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite protein source? And there you have it. We've unlocked the power of protein for weight management success. Remember, protein helps build muscle, boosts metabolism, keeps you feeling full, and curbs cravings. Here's the game-changing tip I promised. Meal prep your protein. Pre-cook chicken, boil eggs, and keep Greek yogurt or protein shakes on hand to hit your protein goals easily. Start incorporating protein today and see the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed weight management tips. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite protein source?